When we learned about the need for 3D mammography at Baton Rouge General Mid-City, we were very anxious to get started, and we wanted to learn more about how we could utilize our funds to help. We found out this is something that the community really needed here in the Mid-City location, and it was a critical need for the hospital and the cancer center.
So as we know, 1 in 8 women will be diagnosed with breast cancer in their lifetime. That's about 11% of the population. The incidence of breast cancer in East Baton Rouge Parish is 128 persons per 100,000. That's the second leading in parishes in Louisiana. We have found with increased technology, which is the 3D mammogram machine, detects cancer at an earlier stage, and early detection is a key to survival. The biggest point about 3D mammograms is it takes a 3D image and pictures almost circumferentially around the breast, and it combines it together and it puts in a nice 3D picture. So women who have dense breasts, especially younger women, it actually can cut through those densities and can see very small cancers at an early stage, much better than the standard 2D mammograms. But we have found that we're finding cancers much earlier, which gives women better options and increased survivability by using this particular technology.
The 3D mammography machine saves lives, period. I get emotional because when we talk about an underserved community, which is North Baton Rouge, they often don't get a whole lot. But Baton Rouge General saw fit to combine their dollars, and I am thrilled that the neighbors can walk to the hospital or they can catch the bus if they don't have reliable transportation to get the needed and rightfully so service that they all deserve. Personally, I've had 2 sisters and a niece diagnosed with breast cancer. Early detection saves lives.
It is the unrestricted funding that gives us the ability to very quickly fulfill needs that otherwise would take a special campaign to bring on board. And I know it takes a little bit of faith as a donor to say, hey, we're just going to give the money and hope that it lands in the right spot. And I want to assure you that it does land in the right spot every single time because our needs are enormous. And as we prioritize them, we want to make sure that we have access to funds quickly so we can pay for equipment like this much needed equipment at Mid-City.
Without unrestricted donor support, we're not able to provide 3D mammography for Baton Rouge General Mid-City this year. We're just not. I'm excited to know what the next project's going to be. Where can we utilize those funds? Where can we meet the need? So thank you. Thank you so much to our donors. Thank you so much to everyone who supports our mission here. You've allowed us to do this project, and you will allow us to continue to do things like this to serve patients every single day.